beautiful people, it's Kelly. So I spent my Sunday painting. Here's Twin A. It's like, How you doing? She says, alright, awesome. So I gave her a little layer of black. It looks great, and so I'll slowly build up that paint. Worked on the paw pads. They won't look like that when I'm finished. Worked on Twin B here, Twin B. I haven't done too much to Twin B. She's gonna be the calico. Need the paw pads on Twin B though. They won't look like that either. It's a work in progress. Kittens. Cleaned off my work table a little bit. Took everything off and wiped it down. Trying to get it situated back again.
I'm thinking of growing my hair out.
The cats like to run across there, so I was leaving half the table empty. Yeah. Luna likes it. She get all excited. She's scratching at that plastic. Right, Miss Lulu? She's like, you put that back. There she is. Little devil girl. You like scratching, don't you? She says, get that camera out of my face. Trying to nap. Look, there's Pumpkin Spice. This pumpkin. Caught her thumb sucking, so I put socks on her hands. Just kidding. The socks on her hands because Lulu here is taking a little too much interest in Pumpkin there. So put the socks on her hands as a precaution. Alright. She's just sitting there watching me paint. Anyway, hope to have one done by the beginning of October. Paint on, sealing the paint, glaze on, gotta ink the body, still gotta order the eyes, and sew up the little gowns. Lots of work to do. And I still want to make one of these baby Yodas a cat. Probably that dude down there. Hang on. Anyways. How are y'all doing on this beautiful Sunday? They got socks. Skeleton socks. They came from Target Dollar Spot if you want to get you some skeleton feet socks. Only $1. Did I say Dollar Spot? I meant Bullseye Playground. Y'all don't know what I meant. But Mr. Salem is being a peaking Tom, literally. He's peeking out the window, he's a Tom. Mouse is wanting food. She's sitting there waiting on me patiently till I do the right thing. So I gotta get off here and do the right thing. Right, Mouse? Right? Yeah, right. I'll catch y'all cool cats and kittens back here another day. This is Callie's room for reports, cats, and nonsense. And Mouse wanting dinner. Want dinner? She'll sit there patiently for a little bit, then she'll start yelling. Her patience comes to an end. Right? You want food? Look up here. You want food? You hungry? She's like, come on, you can't be that stupid. No, I'm not that stupid. Liam is. He just ignores it. He doesn't laugh. Liam has left the building. I guess I'll have to feed you. What kind would you like? Alright. I'll catch y'all back here another day. Bye-bye.